Now, in my case, let's look up a book I like. Neuromancer. Neuromancer by William Gibson. This is a book I love, one of my favorite sci-fi books of all time. It retails for 10 bucks, it looks like. And what I'll do is I'm going to go to SiteStripe, I'm going to click the Get Link area. I'm going to right click that link and I'm going to click copy. And once I have that link, I can post it up places. I can post it on my social media. I can post it on my Facebook. I can post it up, and I'd write a little bit about it and tell people to buy it. Now, again, this is a free way to get started, but it does, you have to understand kind of a little bit about sales. You can't just post up a link and expect people to buy stuff, so you have to do some job of, telling a story or whatever, So I might go to my Facebook. I might write a little story about why this book was interesting to me. So let me write a story real quick and tell you about it. So for my Facebook post marketing this affiliate program, or this book, I wrote a little post. I said, as an entrepreneur, I'm always looking for what future trends are coming up, because a lot of the people who I'm friends with on Facebook, almost everybody is an entrepreneur like me. That's just kind of my circles I surround myself in. And I said, that's why I've gotten into science fiction books. And I say one of my favorite is this book, Neuromancer. And I tell people to buy it. So I didn't write much. Some people might say, ooh, that's really interesting. And they might buy it. All I have to do is post it. And, I might make, a buck, 10% of $8 or whatever it is. So I might make 50 cents or a buck from recommending this book. So that's a really easy way. That's fast. It's easy. And it's free. I am convinced everybody knows how to tell stories. If you know how to tell stories, you can sell anything. So I believe everybody can do sales and marketing.